If you are trying to choose between MOZ and Semrush for SEO, this video will help you decide quickly. Both are powerful and popular SEO tools, but they target slightly different users. MOZ is known for being beginner friendly and easy to use, while Semrush is more advanced and packed with features for marketers, agencies, and businesses. In this video, we'll compare the features, pricing, pros, cons, and which one is actually better depending on your needs. What is MOZ? MOZ is an SEO platform mainly focused on keyword research, rank tracking, backlink analysis, and site audits. It's especially popular among beginners because the interface is clean and simple. MOZ also created popular SEO metrics like domain authority, which many marketers still use today. Main MOZ features: Keyword Explorer, site audits, rank tracking, backlink analysis, domain authority scoring, and SEO recommendations. MOZ Pros: very beginner friendly, clean dashboard, helpful SEO learning resources, accurate keyword difficulty scores, good local SEO tools. MOZ Cons: fewer features compared to Semrush, smaller backlink database, competitor analysis is less detailed, can feel limited for advanced SEO users. What is Semrush? Semrush is an all-in-one digital marketing platform. Besides SEO, it also includes tools for PPC ads, content marketing, competitor research, social media management, and more. Semrush is widely used by agencies, content teams, and professional marketers because of how much data and analysis it provides. Main Semrush features: advanced keyword research, competitor analysis, backlink analytics, site audits, content optimization tools, PPC and advertising research, traffic analytics, social media tools. Semrush Pros: massive keyword and backlink database, excellent competitor research, powerful content marketing tools, great reporting features, all-in-one marketing platform. Semrush Cons: more expensive, can feel overwhelming for beginners. Some features are logged behind higher plans. MOZ versus Semrush: key differences. Ease of use. MOZ is easier to learn and navigate. If you are new to SEO, you'll probably feel comfortable with MOZ faster. Semrush has more tools and data, but the dashboard can look complicated at first. Keyword research. Semrush clearly wins here. It offers larger keyword databases, better search intent data, keyword trends, and competitor keyword tracking. MOZ still does a good job for basic keyword research, but it's not as detailed. Competitor analysis. Semrush is much stronger for competitor research. You can analyze competitor traffic, ads, top pages, backlinks, and ranking keywords in depth. Moz offers competitor tracking too, but it is more limited. Backlink analysis. Semrush has a larger backlink database and more advanced backlink tools. Moz's backlink tools are easier to understand, but not as powerful for serious link building campaigns. Site audits. Both tools offer good website audits. Moz focuses more on simplicity and actionable fixes, while Semrush provides deeper technical SEO analysis. Pricing. Moz is generally more affordable for beginners and small websites. Semrush costs more, but you are also getting many additional marketing tools beyond SEO. Who should use Moz? Choose Moz if you are new to SEO, if you want a simple interface, if you mainly need core SEO tools, if you run a small website or blog, and if you want lower pricing. Who should use Semrush? Choose Semrush if you want advanced SEO tools, if you manage multiple websites or clients, if you need detailed competitor analysis, if you also run PPC or content marketing campaigns, and if you want an all-in-one marketing platform. Final verdict and conclusion. For beginners and simple SEO workflows, Moz is easier and more affordable. But for advanced SEO, competitor research, content marketing, and overall marketing power, Semrush is the better tool for most professionals. If your budget allows it and you want the most complete SEO platform, Semrush is probably the better long-term choice. But if you just want straightforward SEO tools without the complexity, Moz is still a solid option. And that's it for this Moz versus Semrush comparison. Hopefully, this video helped you decide which SEO tools fits your needs best. And if you found it helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and let me know down below in the comments which option will you go for, Moz or Semrush, and why. Thank you for watching, and see you in a new video.